I'm going to demonstrate how I use the Select feature in VisGen for Microsoft Visio. I've consolidated a sample architecture on a single page in Visio. This on-a-page concept communicates an aggregated view of the conceptual, temporal, motivational, logical, organizational, behavioral, and physical aspects of my design. Using layers in Microsoft Visio and the VisGen report generator, I'm able to filter my current view to focus on certain aspects of my design and harvest my documentation, as I show in other videos in this series. VisGen also provides a number of tools to help me build my design. One of these is the Select feature from the VisGen ribbon, which allows me to select shapes of a certain type from within my current view. The first option in this menu lets me select shapes by their Microsoft Visio master. Here, I want to change the size of all my connectors in the physical view. After VisGen selects my lines for me, I'm able to format them all concurrently. This quick selection allows me to make bulk changes to shapes in my model, ensuring consistency here in my line width and format. The VisGen Select feature also allows me to make a selection by inputs, outputs, or inputs and outputs, assuming that I've already selected a non-connector shape. Here, I'm going to change the color and arrow size for only the inputs to this non-connector shape. I can also move this selection around freely and consistently change the positioning of these shapes in my diagram. The Select feature also allows me to make a selection based on the VisGen type, or my class assignment, in the VisGen Shape Data window. VisGen provides a management framework for my shape data, which gives me the flexibility to use any shape that I want in Microsoft Visio, while VisGen manages my shape data for me to ensure consistency and compliance. I'm going to select all the functions in my design. The Shape Data window displays the data for the selection, but only those fields with matching values. I'm going to assign each a unique identifier. Since the identifier values are now different for each shape, we'll see this field disappear from the selection's collective Shape Data window. I'm also going to provide a hyperlink, which changes each shape's double-click behavior to navigate to a file, directory, or website of my choice. Since this value is the same for each shape in the selection, the field does not disappear. I'm also going to assign a relationship from all of these functions to the feature that they provide. With VisGen, I'm able to make changes to my design at a much faster pace. Rather than modifying each shape individually, which for me is prone to error and inconsistency, I can use the Select feature in VisGen to make bulk changes to a shape size, format, positioning, and data to ensure accuracy and consistency within my models. Thanks for watching.